The term computer is derived from A. Latin is the correct answer. Who is the father of computer? B. Charles Babbage is the correct answer. The basic operations performed by a computer are D. All the above is the correct answer. Who is the father of internet? B. Windsurf is the correct answer. If a computer has more than one processor, then it is known as B. Multiprocessor is the correct answer. A light-sensitive device that converts drawing, printed text or other images into digital form is B. Scanner is the correct answer. www stands for D. World Wide Web is the correct answer. A collection of system programs that controls and coordinates the overall operations of a computer system is called B. Operating system is the correct answer. What type of operating system MS-DOS is? A. Command line interface is the correct answer. Which technology is used in